Hello, I'm Roy Tansley. I'd like to give you a quick demonstration of our Bump Blip II as fitted to this brand new Honda Fireblade. It's a quick shifter for upshifting, auto blipper for downshifting, controlled by a Hall effect sensor. It has two maps, so we can have different amount of ignition ramp in one or the other, the same for auto blips. So we'll just run through the gears in mode 1 and mode 2. Thank you very much. Please feel free to contact us via the website, which is proshift.com, or by email at info@proshift.com. Thank you.